happy Thursday. All right, so coming in doing a quick tutorial. Now I made this wonderful video here and I forgot to put audio into my screen recording app. So boo. All right, so Manus Skills. Okay, let's quickly show you. It is very simple and easy. You can go ahead and upload these and use them in less than 2 to 3 minutes. Okay. If you have not open up a Manus account yet, make sure you guys go. Let me come up here. Um, all right, make sure you go ahead. I have my link here and my QR code. Make sure you scan, scan, scan. We both get credits, 500 each. You're gonna need them in order to generate things. You get 300 a day, but an extra 500 would be awesome. So make sure you scan that QR code or the link here. All right, to sign up for Manus. So here we go, because you have a lot of skills, not only Manus skills, prompt generators, templates, all the things are here. So if you're looking for anything, any video I posted, and you're looking for the actual AI tool, system, or template, it is always in files. So again, you go at the top of our Facebook group, click on files, you click, and there it goes. If you want to go to the tutorials and see any of the images and things, you go to media. All right, and you can now look at everything if you like as well. Okay, shout out to all the new members. It's so good to have you here. Hopefully, we will continue to grow and expand our group and learn more. And I want to make sure again, you guys know by Saturday it is promote yourself, promote your business. If you're using any of the tools and things, make sure you showcase it. Let the others encourage the others. Post it in the group, not in the comments, in the group. All right, and let them know, showcase your work, what you're creating, what you are generating. Okay, examples of mock-ups, of things that you're doing for your business. Okay, because that encourage others. All right, so make sure you do just that. All right, here we go. This is one skill here. Now you said it's not opening. You have to double click on it. Okay. You're gonna double click, and you can do this probably more better on your computer, on your tablet, or your iPad. If you're trying to do it on your phone, it should work, but it may be a hiccup. All right, once you do that, as you can see here, my download history, the skill is right here. This is the actual file. Once it's downloaded, great. You're gonna head over to your Manus account. All right, Manus.ai. Is that the whole web app? But it's called Manus. All right. And so you would go in. Well, these is another skill I gave you guys if you didn't know. All right, where you can create anything. All right, the activity sheets. This was on my last video. I showed you how you can go ahead and create stuff for Kwanzaa, Christmas, Thanksgiving, all the things, Halloween. All right, you guys have the skill. Okay, so you're gonna go to your home page. This is what it looked like. Look, it's still here, and I'm gonna show you. I'm going to click on the plus sign. We're going to add from local files. All right. What you downloaded. All right. It should look just like this here. You're going to click on that skill. All right. And you're simply going to type in review and add new skill and enter. Now, because I already have the skill, I'm not going to add it. Once it added, good. It should pop up here just like the rest. These are some skills I created right here on the side. Manus may even give you a message and say, hey, you want to try out the skill. All right, and then your skill will come up. Then you can come over here and click on the skill and try it out. So this is the thing. It will say you want to generate a different theme. You want to create a sticker pack with a different theme, and you will just come in and click it. So this is our back to school sticker skill. So you put, and it comes is you can create 6, 10, or 12. So let's just do, and it will tell you, okay? I'll let you know. I will ask you a question. So let's do, because I know what I'm going to put. 6, 6 and 9s. Let's do, but mermaid theme. All right, and that's all you will put in. If it has any clarifying questions, it will ask you that. All right, and make sure you pay attention to what it's writing, because sometimes it's waiting for you. You will say, "Oh, it's not generating," and then Manus is waiting for you to answer a question so it can continue on with the design. I do it all the time. I'm like, "What happened? Why did it generate?" And it actually is waiting for me to answer a question. All right, so here is going to say these are the proposed designs. Look over them. If that works for you, then you can go ahead and go yes. See, it'll be in yellow, waiting for your reply. It will not continue until you say yes. Awesome. Great. All right, so just now before in generating, and that is how you add all your Manus skills that I have created and added to our Facebook group. So that is simple as that. You guys have back to school. You have school printable. That one is the first day of school signs. You have the activity placement designs. You have the meet the teacher templates. You have a custom learning binder skill. You go in, you say the theme and the age, and it's going to generate all the pages you need to create learning binders. Back to school flyers, the lunch box. Oh, this is the actual generator for the lunch notes. Classroom decor. You have this Manus skill that's going to generate an entire printable for classroom designs, the signs, school rolls, stickers, the bulletin board sign, the bulletin board border. Okay, if you don't think these are selling, go on Etsy and look at selling and see how much they're selling these templates for. How someone printed out is not your business, okay? Someone who's buying this know that they either have the printer to print it out, or they're going to Office Max, they're going to their local printing shop to print out these the actual template. Okay, all you have to do is make sure your listing states that this is a digital product and the sizes. And you can go on Etsy and look at classroom decor um, listings and see how they're sizing them up. Um, but you can go ahead and you just size them up that size right in Canva. Okay, you have educator play. Oh, this is a planners for teachers skill. All right, you have that. So many, and then of course generators and more we added. This file here, I need to rename it, but it's over 800,000 digital products, coloring book bundles, journals, prompt books, website templates. Everything is in here. Okay, so if you want to so you can look in there and create different bundles. Add stuff to your shop, to your store. Use it for your personal use if you want to. All right, everything you don't have to sell. Some things you can just create and use for yourself. All right, nothing's wrong with that. All right, let's go to Manus real quick. Let's see what's going on. And here we go. Here's my actual. Oh, this is my work from before. So this is how you can view it. I like to click preview. All right, and it should come up. And there I have my sticker. So this is a back to school mermaid theme. A cute little chibi mermaid style. All right, and I now can go and look at the other ones that it made. Mermazing students. Oh, that's cute. Ready for a deep dive. Cute. All right, so here fantastic learner. Perfect. So it's going to make any theme. All right. And again, the pack will either be in 10. Now, don't worry, it'll occasionally pop up with this green, and that's because we want it to be a transparent background, so it'll show up green like that sometimes. So once you do have it, this is it. You can download that image, take it into Canva, or you can simply right click, save as, or copy image. And then take it to Canva and start creating your sticker packs. Let me see. If I have time today, we're going to use the coloring page generator and create a quick little coloring book. Um, yeah, we'll do that. And then if I have time, we'll create a sticker pack so you can see that I'll be live today. It looks like it'll be the regular time around 9:30, 10 o'clock. And so if not, the tutorial will be on